Hey, I'm just going to work through this task to create a table in case you're struggling. So we've got 5 rows, 3 columns, and the top rows sort of heading. So here we go. Here's my page. We just use the table tags to show where the table's going to start and finish. In that we use the TR tags to define each row to 5, there we go. And then within those we use TH if we want it to be the heading row, TD for the normal rows to split up the columns. So I'm actually just going to fill out the opening and closing tags. I find this kind of a faster way to do it sometimes. Control C and paste in. So there's my three columns within that row, and then for the others I do TD. So there we go. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then I just need to stick my my contents in. Oh, good grief, that's not what I'm doing. A, B. Feel free to lay it out a bit better. Just be careful about where you're putting these. You know, if you prefer, then by all means go for this sort of thing. Obviously, I mean, you know that. I don't need to tell you that you can do that. But that might make it easier to work with, possibly, for each row. Now look at it, I'm certain it's easier to work with. Anyway, and then we've got 0 0 0. Fair enough. Feel free to skip ahead. 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. Okay. Let's just quickly look how that is going. There we go. Pretty ugly table there. So let's what's the word? Style it. Let's style it a bit. So I wouldn't say you're expected to know about the styling for the exam at all. But here's standard sort of stuff. I'll just do it all internal. So certainly that, you know, there's this sort of shorthand. If you do it for table TH and TD, there's a sort of shorthand for doing basically border width, border style, and border color all at once, rather than doing 3 separate attributes. And I'm just going to copy absolutely. So we want border width 1 pixel. Border style solid, and border color we'll just go for black. There we go. Shouldn't really do spaces in there, and then that gives you this ugly thing. If we do border collapse, then we'll get rid of that. So that is for the whole table. We do border collapse. I need to look it up every time. Border collapse. And that should get rid of that horrible look. And then after that, we can do a bit of styling. What's it supposed to look like? I mean, we can center things. I can probably just do that in here, can't I? Text align, center. We could set the widths of the TH and TDs. You can actually set them. We can set like the background. So for the headings, background color. I know it's not going to be the right color. We can set the color to white. I know it's not the right shade of blue. Forgive me. And the font and stuff, obviously. And then, yeah, let's just do, if I do TH and TD, I think, let's just go for 100 pixels, see how that looks. There we go. Wham. Bam. Thank you. See you.